Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Although we may know it when we stop and think, we are more often than not senseless to the fact that there is a delay between cause and effect. For example, we'll see a run on a product and we'll ramp up production to meet the new demand. We predict that what we have seen in our local markets will replicate itself in more distant ones. By the time the product has hit the shelves, local demand has withered and exports fail to match expectations. You've clogged the supply chain with stock that has to be marked down to clear. On the other hand, we may have launched a new product or service and wait impatiently for its impact from the market. Sales are slow and take-up is disappointing compared to the assumptions made by the marketers. So you pull out just as success signals its arrival. But that success is not in your domestic market. If we're going to become better at systems thinking, we have to improve our understanding of the inertia of the system we're working with. It's no good to be aggressive with systems of high inertia. Their sluggishness, as an integral part of their dynamics, will cause delays to process velocity. Either accept that responsiveness will be muted, or design an intervention to make the system more responsive. By the same token, if the system is hyper-responsive to any kind of stimulus, it's worth considering the development of a dampener that limits whiplash. There's hardly a system or process we deal with that doesn't have some form of a delay built into the process itself. In complex systems, these delays can quickly compound, one on the other, creating confusion and negatively affecting results. Being aware of the maxim that cause and effect are not closely related in time and space allows you to examine your system and better understand its dynamics. Acting on the insight that cause and effect are not closely related in time and space, you can design more effective interventions than would otherwise be the case. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.